Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Smart Tech. Hope you all are good in health and safe at your home. Due to work from home culture, nowadays video conferencing and web conferencing apps are high in demand. In this video, I am going to show you few new features added by Zoom video conferencing app. This feature will help you to manage your online meetings more securely with more control on the meetings. All new features are cool and attractive. At the same time, it is very user friendly. I believe it will surely help you to enjoy the work from home using Zoom application. So let's start exploring it. First step is to download the latest version of the Zoom application. If you are working with the mobile application, then please update the application. Very first feature is Zoom filters, or we can say it is an video filters. Once you host any meeting or join any meeting on the Zoom app, you can set the video filters. At the first time, it will ask you to download the small package. Download it and you can see various video filters in the list. Next feature is the security of the meeting. Yes friends, this feature allows host to control the meeting such that no one can enter in the meeting. As soon as you click on the lock meeting, you can see one message on the screen. After this, no one can enter the meeting. It is no entry mark for the participants. Next security feature, you can get it from here. By clicking on this security button, it will allow you to explore more. Very first security feature is enable waiting room under the security tab. By enabling this feature, none of the participants can join the meeting without the permission of host. So please enable it before you start the meeting. Next is rename themselves. If this feature is enabled, it will allow participants to change the name during the meeting. For the security reasons, it should be unchecked, so that none of the participants can change their name during the meeting and you can have proper record of the participants. Next one is unmute themselves. It will allow user to unmute themselves during the meeting. I personally suggest to uncheck this option so that no participants can unmute and disturb during the meetings. You can unmute individuals as and when it is required. Next one is chatting option. It will allow all the participants to chat with each other along with the host. So keep it enabled so that all can chat with each other and exchange their views during the meetings. So friends, next time you host any meeting, please make sure to use such features. It will surely help you to secure your meeting environments. As well, try to use video filters which makes your meeting a different feel. Hope you will like this video and please don't forget to share with others. I hope you have subscribed the channel to get the regular updates. Thank you.